Well guys, I'm Hunter, here to show you my new rifle I just put together. This came through today, this nice Alaskan 360 can from Rugged Suppressor. This PSA Jakl I put together with the Holosun. And we're gonna hear the first rounds. I've got some Subsonic Hornady Black 209. And we're gonna see what this can does. Yep. Fire in the hole. Yep. Open the gas block up one more. I'd say that target's dead. I'm gonna hit a couple on the... Oh, failure to eject. Open it up one more. Open it up one more. Couple loads of breaking the sound barrier. And that's it. Empty. Very nice. After you get that gas block dialed in, it didn't have any problem cycling. Alright guys, appreciate you watching this. First shots on the Jakl with the Alaskan 360 300 blackout Subsonic. Thanks guys.